Hi there, this is Nicola and welcome to my channel, Forever Young Autobiographies. It's a place where I help you write life stories for family and friends so that unique memories will live on for future generations. If you're new, please subscribe and hopefully like this video. Today's topic is about a case study. I recently caught up with filmmaker Luke Graham, who's telling a powerful father and son story. It was recently Father's Day here on the weekend, and I thought this would be a great case study to bring to you so that you could find out how a filmmaker tells family stories. So jumping right in, I caught up with Luke for a chat the other day, and I've written an article about that on my website, but I wanted to highlight to you today the three main points that he brought up in our conversation. First, a bit about how his project evolved and how it's going. So, Luke's dad, Mark, is a famous New Zealand football player, and he's recently became a league legend. So, yes, very energetic. But Mark asked his son Luke to accompany him to New Zealand to take some footage or film a reunion he was having with some from old teammates. Now, Luke thought, there's a bigger story here. I think it's more my dad's story that should be told. That should be told to a wider audience. So he approached his dad, and his dad, in his words, said reluctantly yes, but this is an ongoing thing. So the film Sharko is fully in production. Luke told me that he's done a lot of research and he's already done probably 10 pre-interviews at this stage. He's going to leave his powerful interview with his father to last, but he said that there's been a lot of work to do, wearing many hats to get this film or this sport documentary underway. So far, he told me there's been many rewards for making or continuing this project. Number one is that he's learnt a lot about his father. He's also found out many things that he didn't know. The biggest reward he's hoping to deliver with a film project like this is that it will be enjoyed and, by a wider audience, and that they themselves will learn about their family relationships. So that's a pretty aspiring goal there. The third thing that came out of my talk with Luke was that he gave us some suggestions as life story writers or family story writers of things or tips that we can do to make sure our projects are successful. Now, the first tip he gave to us was to make sure that the story you're telling has value to other people. Now, I thought that was really poignant. Being a journalist, we're always told to think about the reader and what we're writing. It's not just what we think is important. You've got to keep that idea about the bigger picture, who you're writing for. So that was a really good one, writing for others and making sure it has some value. Another point that he said was, if you're not a writer, get some help, get some education, take a course, get some advice, listen to videos such as this, get some help to bring you up to speed on how to tell an effective story. Another really good tip that I support that Luke gave to us was that when you've got a story that you want to tell, just write out that first draft, do a half a pager, a one pager, whatever it takes, just get that down nice and fast. And finally, he said, once you've got that done, make sure you show it to someone for feedback. And he said, no, it can't be a family member or someone who's your best friend. We need honest feedback. So I thought that was a really strong point. So yeah, just to recap, Luke Graham is making a documentary Sharko about his league legend father, Mark Graham. Now, he said that the trailer is being made at the moment, right now, and it should be out in November and the film out next year. So if you'd like to learn more about how a filmmaker approaches a family story, head over to my website, foreveryoungautobiographies.com. You can read the full article there. And as a bonus for listening or watching this video, I've got Your Family Stories system, which is available there as well. And you can sign up to find out how to interview, say, your father or your grandfather or any other loved one, just like Luke has. I go through that process in the Your Family Stories system, and I'll leave a link down below for sign up for free sections to Your Family Story system. So that's a free gift for you, so just pop in your details and I'll send that instantly to you. So yeah, I'd love to find out what's your family or most favourite father and son story, or maybe it's just your favourite father and son movie. Leave a comment in the section below, and if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos and tutorials. Thanks for watching. Happy writing.